How to learn. 1. Listen to the story. 2. Assess understanding. 3. Difficult word explanation. 4. Question review. 1. Listen to the story.
The Cost of Betrayal, a powerful story of friendship, loyalty, and consequence. Once upon a time, there lived two best friends, Jack and Harry. They grew up together, went to the same school, and did everything together. They were like brothers and trusted each other with their lives. One day, Jack stumbled upon a business opportunity. He had the chance to invest in a new company that was going to be the next big thing. He knew he needed a lot of money to make this investment, and he also knew that Harry had savings that he could use. Jack went to Harry and asked to borrow the money, promising to pay it back with interest. Harry, being the loyal friend that he was, agreed and gave Jack all of his savings. A few months went by and Jack was doing very well with the investment. He was making a lot of money and living the life he had always dreamed of. Harry, on the other hand, was struggling. He had lost all of his savings and was in a difficult situation. When Harry asked Jack to return the money, Jack told him that he couldn't do it just yet and that he needed a bit more time. Harry was patient and waited, but as the months went by, Jack became distant and stopped answering Harry's calls. Harry finally decided to go to Jack's house and confront him. When he arrived, he found out that Jack had not only used all of his savings, but had also lied to him about the investment. It wasn't a real opportunity, and Jack had used Harry's money for his own selfish purposes. Harry was devastated. The person he had trusted the most in the world had betrayed him. He felt used and taken advantage of. The cost of this betrayal was not just financial, but also emotional. Jack soon realized the mistake he had made and the damage he had caused to his friendship with Harry. He tried to make things right by returning the money, but it was too late. Harry was hurt and couldn't forgive him. The once strong friendship was now broken and the consequences of Jack's actions were irreversible. This story teaches us about the importance of trust, loyalty, and the consequences of betrayal. It shows us that friendships can be easily broken and that it's not always possible to repair the damage caused by a single act of deceit. The cost of betrayal is high, and it can never truly be repaid.
2. Assess understanding.
1. Who are the two main characters in the story? 2. What did Jack ask Harry for? 3. Was the investment opportunity real? 4. How did Harry feel when he found out the truth about the investment? 5. Did Jack return the money to Harry? 6. Was Harry able to forgive Jack? 7. What was the cost of Jack's actions? 8. Who gave all of their savings to Jack? 9. How long did Harry wait for Jack to return his money? 10. What did Jack use the money for? 11. How did Jack try to make things right? 12. Was Jack's attempt to make things right successful? 13. What did the story teach us about? 14. What was the result of Jack's betrayal? 15. Was the damage caused by Jack's actions irreversible?
3. Difficult word explanation.
Stumbled upon. Discovered accidentally. Example: Jack stumbled upon an opportunity to invest in a new business. Invest. To put money into a business with the hope of making a profit. Example: Jack convinced Harry to invest his savings into the new business opportunity. Savings. Money set aside for future use. Example, Harry had saved up a large amount of money over several years. Consequence. Result or outcome of a particular situation or action. Example, the consequence of Jack's deceitful behavior was the loss of a friendship and emotional pain for Harry. Betrayal. A breach of trust or confidence. Example, Jack's actions were a betrayal of Harry's trust and their friendship. Deceit. Dishonest behavior or actions. Example, Jack used deceit and lies to convince Harry to give him his savings. Irreversible. Unable to be undone or changed. Example, the damage caused by Jack's betrayal was irreversible and their friendship could never be repaired.
4. Question review.
1. Jack and Harry. 2. Jack asked Harry to borrow his savings. 3. No, it was not real. 4. Harry felt used and taken advantage of. 5. Yes, he did eventually return the money. 6. No, Harry was hurt and unable to forgive Jack. 7. The cost of Jack's actions was financial, emotional, and the loss of a friendship. 8. Harry gave all of his savings to Jack. 9. Harry waited several months for Jack to return the money. 10. Jack used the money for his own selfish purposes. 11. Jack tried to make things right by returning the money. 12. No, Jack's attempt was not successful and the friendship was broken. 13. The story taught us about the importance of trust, loyalty, and the consequences of betrayal. 14. The result of Jack's betrayal was the loss of a friendship and emotional pain for Harry. 15. Yes, the damage caused by Jack's actions was irreversible.